it's a very fascinating time in our Western Muslim history. Like the response for these atrocities in Gaza and in Palestine in general has been absolutely phenomenal. And we're seeing this at all levels in terms of grassroots activism, in terms of political activism, in terms of responses, even from non-Muslim allies. It's been absolutely amazing. So you can look at the protests that have been taking place. You know, I was following what happened in London. I arrived there on the day that the big London protest happened. You know, each week it's been growing, right? Now, why is that happening? And this whole battle for what we call truth in the media, while, you know, certain lobbies will control what's happening in mainstream media, they cannot control our voices. And it's amazing how our voices, even though they're being marginalized to a certain degree through like shadow banning and stuff like that, the voices are there and they're posting and they're sharing and they're liking and, you know, they're being heard for the first time. Like